August 6, 1945, 8:15 a.m. Hiroshima vanished. In a single flash, the world changed. Buildings turned to dust, skies turned to fire, and silence swallowed everything. But some lived, not without scars, not without pain, but they lived. These are their faces. Not soldiers, not politicians, just people. Mothers, fathers, sisters, sons, children who saw the sun fall. Their wounds are not just in flesh, but in memory, in silence, in eyes that no longer cry. We look at these portraits and wonder, how do you survive what cannot be survived? Time passed, but they carried the weight of that morning forever. Through these colorized images, we don't just restore photographs, we remember the people behind them, their humanity, their grief, their strength. This is the legacy of Hiroshima, and this is the colorized past.